Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us solve the value here from this given question. Solution: m times m times m times m over m plus m plus m plus m equal to 36, 32 over 2, 16, 16, 16. Then m times m is power 1, power 1, power 1, power 1. A times m, a times n equal to a times m plus n. Then m raised 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over m into m divided m1 plus m divided m1 plus m divided m1 plus m divided m plus 1 equal to 1/6. M raised 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 over 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 4 power of 1 equal to 1/6. M power 4 times m raised minus 1 over 4 equal to 1/6. Then m 4 minus 1 over 4 equal to 1/6. M raised 3 over 4 equal to 1/6 over 1. Crisscross. M raised 3 times 1 equal to 4 times 1/6. M raised 3 equal to 4 times 6, 4, 4, 64. M raised 3 equal to 4 raised 3. Then shift this 4 raised 3 to left side. M power of 3 minus 4 power of 3 equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, a cubed minus b cubed give us a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Then m minus 4 m square plus 4 times m plus 4 square 1/6 equal to 0. Solution: m minus 4 equal to 0, or m square plus 4m plus 60 equal to 0. then m equal to 4 m1, or quadratic equation m square plus 4m plus 16 equal to 0, equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 4, C equal to 1, 6. From this quadratic equation, to find the value of m equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. M equal to minus b means 4 plus or minus under root 4 square 1 6 minus 4 times a 1 times c 1 6 divided by 2 times a 1. M equal to minus 4 plus 4 minus under root 1 6 1 6 1 6 common 1 6 divided 1 6 1 minus 1 6 4 times 1 6 divided 1 6 4 over 2. M equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 1 6 times under root 1 minus 4 minus 3 divided 2. M equal to minus 4 plus or minus under radical 164 times minus 3 I radical 3 over 2. M equal to minus 4 over 2 plus minus 4 over 2 I under root 3. M equal to by 4 by 2 1 2 2 minus 2 plus minus by 2 1 by 2 2 2 I under root 3. M3 equal to minus 2 plus 2I under root 3. M4 equal to minus 2 plus or no minus 2 under root 3 I. Complex number. Solution. M1, M2 and M3. M1 equal to 4, real solution. Real solution. Then check up for a real solution. Check up for real solution. M times M times M times M over M plus M plus M plus M equal to 32 over 2. Check it. This means M raised 4 over 4 M raised 1 equal to 1 6. That means M raised 3 equal to 64. M gives us 4. Real solution 4. Real solution 4. M1. Then 4 raised 3 equal to 64. 4 raised to 3 means 64 equal to 64. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So the solution will be correct. Thank you family for watching. Goodbye.